Aman this side. I hope you guys are doing well. So yeah, I've completed my project and I think I've shared my link, GitHub link of this project. But yeah, I got some issues with the video, so I'm creating right now. So yeah, let me start with my stack. I'm using Ponder and Hono for the backend and for the indexing part, along with TypeScript. So this is my folder structure. This src folder contains handlers for all the indexing thing, APIs for backend, and some utils function. And then we have some config and schema over here. So let's start with the config part. I've created this config for Unisolve v2 factory and v3 factory along with the pairs. So I'm using some recent block number just to index like the recent data only. And yeah, this is my config file, and this is a schema for my DB. So currently I'm storing all this pool details, and these is the different snipers table I've created. So these are the sniper details and this is the fundings table. And so yeah, let's start with the handlers part. So I have distributed my code in v2 and v3 folders, basically like all the v2 functions, and v2 indexing part is in v2 folders and v3 is in v3. So let's go through it. So I have this index file which is calling this two function. One is for indexing the pair creation of a Unisolve v2 pools, and then the second is uh, getting the snipers of that particular pool. So let's start with the handle pair created function I've created. So here I'm just using the basic on function to like index the data. I have gotten the tokens from the events and I'm calculating some stuff over here. I got the launch token car addresses from the events. Then I have some helper function here which is basically getting all the name, symbol and everything, and then I'm using it, and then I'm fetching all the market cap and LP data. Basically, like I've created a small helper function which gets me the reserves, and which yeah, basically calculates the liquidity part, total supply, and give me the market cap. And then I'm just storing it into the database over here. So this is the pair creation whole flow. And then I have a sniper swap function where I'm just indexing all the snipers of a particular pool, where I'm taking the pool ID and taking the token, whichever token is there, and then basically yeah, just calculating the supply, total supply and the percentage supply. And yeah, I'm storing the snipers, how much volume he bought, how much supply percent he bought, and yeah, stuffs like that. So this is the v2 part. One second. So yeah, let's go to the v3 part. Yeah, simply the same thing I've done. Like I've created the utils folder where I'm creating some different util functions, and then I have this pair created function where I'm just fetching the pool created event from the smart contract factory. And then yeah, I'm just doing the almost the same thing here, like fetching metadata, uh, getting the what do you say, v3 ka liquidity and everything. Here just the different thing is like the calculation part of the liquidity and the what do you say, market cap. Here I have done a smart contract function which is getting me a slot data and liquidity, and then I'm using it to calculate the price, and then I'm getting the total supply and market cap and just simply returning from here and storing it in the DB, just like the v2. And yeah, same sniper function, something similar only, like I'm getting the pool ID and then fetching the volume bought of that user, and then yeah, supply bn supply percentage, and then storing it in the DB. So this is the basic implementation of my indexer. Now I have created the backend for it as well. I'll show you it. It's in the API folder. So I have followed the structure of controller routes and services pattern, where I have created different routes for different uh, calls. For example, this is the pool route where I have created two different what do you say, two different routes. One is to get all the pools, and one is to get the data of a specific pool ID. So yeah, let's start with this only. So here I have created this controller inside the controllers for pool, where I'm getting all the filtered data. If a user want to filter the data, pools data, he can filter it, or otherwise he can directly like get without passing the filter, he can get all the filtered pools. So I can show you the function here. So this is the get pool function, where I'm simply checking if there's any filtered filter passed in the parameters. Then I'm getting it from the DB with filters. Otherwise I'm just directly getting all the pools from here. Also I have this get pool by pool ID, which is simply like getting me the pool information with the specific pool ID. And yeah, so this both are the pool routes. And yeah, I have created three routes for snipers. One is for getting all the snipers, then one is for a specific pool, and then one is for a specific ID of a sniper. So yeah, let's go get over it. I have created three different controllers for all the three routes. And yeah, let's go to the service. So basically, one sniper get all snipers, just return all the snipers from my DB. The sniper by pool ID, just you have to pass one pool ID and it will get you all the snipers from that particular pool. And yeah, the sniper ID, you have to pass the ID of the particular sniper and it will get you that particular sniper ka all the pools. So yeah, this is the whole implementation of my project. There are some different folders for some basic other stuffs like ABIs, where I'm storing all the ABIs. And yeah, simply utils function, where I have created some helper functions to like do everything. Here is the token contracts WETH, USDC and USDT, where I'm fetching all the pairs created on this token. And yeah, simply just like that. So yeah, this is the overall structure of my product. If I can run it, wait, I can just simply, so it will start indexing the data, and I can show you on this. So here you can see all the information I'm fetching from the mm, Uniswap contracts, all the token ID, token symbol, token name, launch, block, liquidity and everything. I was unable to do the fundings part as I was short on time, so I can do it on different branch maybe someday. But right now I don't have enough bandwidth. I was not having enough bandwidth, so I just let it be. Okay, yeah, cool.